Alright, I just want to show you for my next product review. This is the Silicone Rolling Pin Non-Stick DIY Dumpling Roller Bread Cookie Rolling Pin for baking, pastry dough roller, fondant, pizza, etc. Has the color of the orange. What are the brand names that it spells? TOPINCN. The dimension that it has, 11.81 by 1.57 by 1.57 inches, and weight 0.16 kilograms. About this item, adopt food grade silicone, soft texture. It can be as high as 230 temperature resistance and easy to clean, environmental protection, safe and reliable. Moderate length, comfortable grip. The handle is made of high quality PP, which is durable and easy to clean and maintain. Rolly type design, labor savvy and convenient, simple and easy to use, perfect for pizza and pie crust, egg tarts, biscuit, etc. I can feel about the rolling pin, it just looks like a kid's size. Kinda cool, huh? So how would you like to try these for the silicone rolling pin? Just buy one and get one. I'm going to put this link into the description box below if you want to get this. Available on Amazon. And that's for the silicone rolling pin for the next product review. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out and see more product reviews from worldwide cannabis news and entertainment on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for about our latest videos.